Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna. I'm also known as Curlykinkydee. Please guys do subscribe and hit the notification button so that this way you can always get notified about my upcoming videos. I'm today wanting to show you guys how to do twist out. I washed my hair already, so it's marinating in leave-in, and I used the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. All this information will be linked down in my description box. So Camille Rose is one of my favorite products at the moment. I'll be using the Camille Rose Almond Dry Twisting Butter, and this is sweet almond milk and honey in it. So my hair, guys, is already in sections. It's already been detangled. So as you guys can see, I've detangled, and I normally do my hair in sections. It's just easier for me to handle my hair. So I'll be starting with this section, and what I normally tend to do is I then break it into a smaller section. Obviously what is handy is this comb, and I'm not too fussy, to be honest, about paths, you know, creating the perfect path, no, because I like it a bit all over the place, to be honest. So this is what the butter looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but it smells amazing. And guys, it is quite thick. It is a thick twisting butter. I wouldn't say as thick, it's like a thick lotion, you can see. So yeah, but it smells amazing. Well, all her products smell amazing. And I just kind of rub it in my hands, and I'll just put it in this, and then I'll just rake it through, guys. Just raking it through. Just love it when my hands can just slide through my hair. There's no tangles. So what I do now, guys, I then do a parting like that. And I just clip up this section just so it's out the way, and I'm ready to go. So, okay, 2 sections, and you just overlap them, guys. You just overlap them. Overlap them. And while you're overlapping them, you just try and pull it a bit so that it's not loose. Okay? You just kind of pull it tight so that it is not loose. And look at that. So when I come to about here, guys, I take the comb and I just comb this, the end bits, as you guys can see, and I make a curl. Now look at that. Guys, if you feel it's too big, you just kind of, obviously, like I feel that one is too big. Like I said, I am not fussed about size, and you know, I just try and kind of do them the way I feel like I want them to be. So it's all up to you guys. Obviously, the thicker, the longer, or the bigger the sections, the longer it's going to take to dry. So as you guys can see, I'm overlapping again, overlapping. And as I'm overlapping, I'm also kind of pulling it tight. Overlapping, guys, overlapping. Overlapping. And like I said, when you come to the end, take the comb and you just so you can just comb. Guys, it's so easy to so easy to do a twist out, and you just curl it and experiment, guys. If it's your first time, experiment. You know, experiment with the sizes, how thin you want it, how big you want your sections, and just see. And then every time, every week, or whenever you do your wash days, just check it out and just see how you like your sizes. Because I'm breaking it up at the end of the day into, you know, little ringlets, little curls. So like I said, I'm not fussed really about my size or the sections, or even making paths. A lot of people is very focused on that, and I'm not, and I'm happy with what I achieve at the end of taking my twist outs out. So I'll show you guys again. So I normally just put my fingers through just to make sure that there's no knots. And like I said, when you from the top, you kind of try and pull it tight, and you're just overlapping the two, overlapping. And when you come almost near to the end, did you take your comb and just comb it through, and that way you're just preparing it for the curl at the end. Okay. And you just pull tight, guys, and you overlap. And don't forget, as you're doing it, you just kind of pull it a bit stiff, and off you go. And you take your comb and you comb it at the end, and then you just do the curl. Look at that. Right, so guys, I am gonna finish off camera. So guys, this is what it looks like, all done. All juicy, all done. Hi guys, so it's been 2 days that I've had the twist in. So today's the day I'll be showing you guys how to take them out and achieve a good look. So basically what I do, just to kind of keep track of things, I would just kind of put this up so I could just pull them out while I'm taking them out. I rub some oil just to take the takedown in a bit easier. Put a tiny bit in my hands, like not loads, just to, you know, make it easy. So I'll just go in with this, and I'll just put these up, and I'll just start. So, okay, I'll start with this one. So I just kind of unravel them, going against the direction of how I twist them. So it'll normally split, and then I just kind of unravel them. So easy, guys. So easy. Just unravel them against the direction that you've twisted your hair in, and normally it just, once you do that, it kind of divides into the parting automatically, or the two sections, and it just, you guys, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. And you just carry on doing that, guys. You just carry on doing that. Look at that. Smooth. Smooth. Okay. So smooth. So I'll just do this very fast, you guys, and then I'll come back when I'm in the front section. So guys, look at this twist. How bouncy they are. They just look hydrated. So what I'm going to do now is I go in and I just spread them out a bit more. So I'll show you guys. So I just break them up a bit more, guys. Guys, see. So I just break them up into more bits. I try not to pull them. So guys, I just lift it. I just put the comb and I just put it in. Play about with it. There you go, guys. Now I love frizz, and bearing in mind that this will get bigger over the next couple of days, so I just love full on, whether it's frizzy. It just makes it, for me, it just gives me that frizzy or non-frizz. I don't mind. Okay. Please do subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so that you could get all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.